Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup database migrations with Prisma, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your database migrations with Prisma, begin by navigating to your project directory. Open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have Prisma installed in your project. Check your Prisma setup by running npx prisma migrate status. This command will show the current migration state. Locate your migrations folder in the Prisma directory. This folder typically resides at Prisma/migrations. Copy the entire migrations folder to a secure backup location. You can use a cloud storage service or an external hard drive. Make sure to keep the folder's structure intact. For better organization, create a dated backup folder. Paste the copied migrations into this newly created folder. Next, document the current state of your database. Use the command npx prisma db pull. This command updates your Prisma schema based on the current database state. Open the Prisma schema file, usually located at prisma/schema.prisma. Review the changes and ensure they reflect the current database structure. If necessary, update your schema to align with any changes made since the last migration. To generate a new migration based on these changes, use npx prisma migrate devname backup. This command creates a new migration file in the migrations folder. Verify that the new migration has been created successfully. Once confirmed, proceed to test the backup. You can set up a local or test database for this purpose. Run the npx prisma migrate deploy command to apply the new migration to the test database. Check for errors and ensure that everything works smoothly. Lastly, maintain a regular schedule for backing up your migrations. Consistency will help safeguard against future issues. Now you have a reliable backup of your database migrations with Prisma. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.